Okay, contains returns true if the value is presented in the list, uses index of internally if list is an array, uses from index to start, use search as a given index. This the third argument. So basically it will just tells you that the value you passed exists in this array or on an object if you pass an object, and you can't specify the starting index. So it's really, I believe it's really simple. Let me go. So this is their example. 1 second. And if it is a 3 exists in this array, and this is another example that I wrote. So I'm searching for a value in this object that has row what. So it will only search through these values, row what 22. So node contains true. Okay. So const contains 2 will be equal to function that accepts the list, the value, the index. So first thing I will get the values from the object. But if this was an array, object values would return the values themselves, but we don't need to do that, right? We are just wasting some time. So array.isArray, if the list is an array, just return it, else use the values from the object. Now for I equals 0, and it should end at first.length. We need just to check for each element we are in at the moment from in the index I, is it equal to value that you passed? Just short circuit and return true. If this did not fire this condition, so just return false. One thing that we did not use the index, we can just put it like this. So if you pass the index, I will use it as the starting value, else I will just use the 0 like this. We can do it like this. So if this is resolved to something not truthy, it won't be used and we will start from 0. And arguments by default assigned to undefined in JavaScript. So this will work if you did not pass an index. We can just use their examples. We should see 4 truths, which is correct. And if you, for example, if I started from let's say I'm searching for 1 and I started from index 1, which is 2, right? This is the index 1. First one is false, which is correct. Also, this will works here. So let's say I will start from index 2, which is, if you think about it, this is 0, this is 1, this is 2. So we see false for this one. Also, it will work in our case, in our code. It's also false. Yeah, I think that's it.